Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can delete your eFootball account. For this, you need to click on extras at the top right of your screen and then click on where it says support at the bottom. And from inside support, you need to click on the second option, services and info. And from over here, click on the delete user ID option at the bottom. Once you're over here, you need to tick mark I agree to the above and click on next. Once you click on next, it basically means you agree to all their terms and service. So what you want to do is click on request. Now once you click on request, your account deletion request will be sent to Konami. And Konami is basically the company which owns eFootball. And once you send a request to them, their staff is going to view your request and they will delete your account. And your account deletion is going to take you 21 days. So why it gives you 21 days is because if you change your mind and you don't want to delete your account and you want to recover it again, then you can recover it between that 21 days. But if you don't want to recover it, then you can just leave your account for 21 days. And after 21 days, your account will be permanently deleted. But remember this, once your eFootball account is deleted, you cannot recover it again. All of your data, all of your accomplishment, they're all going to be wiped out along with your account. So if you're okay with that, then follow the step which I showed you, and after 21 days, your account will be deleted. So hit the subscribe to our channel, want to step for future videos like this. I will see you guys next time.